Good afternoon, g'day, and welcome to howtoplaythesax.com. My name is Matthew, and here at howtoplaythesax.com we like playing our saxophones. And today we are going to learn a note, the note B. The note B for Bravo, B for Bob, B for Bravo. How do we play a B on our saxophones? It is very easy. It is one finger on our left hand, and that is it. That is a B. Now, a caveat, there's 3 Bs on a saxophone. The first one finger. Here we go. It sounds like this. There it is, one finger, nothing on the right hand, just the one finger on the left. Now we can get excited, we can go higher, we can add the register key, add the octave key for a high B. And it sounds like this. Without the register key. Add the register key. So there are 2 of our 3 Bs. Now we want the final B. The final B involves all fingers and pinkies. Final B. 1, 2, 3 on our left hand. 3 fingers on our left hand, the main 3 keys. 1, 2, 3, 3 fingers on our right hand, the main 3 keys. Add in your right pinky on the bottom of these 2 little pinky keys. Add the bottom one. On our left hand, add in the pinky, the one which this one's a bit of a stretch. It is the one closest to your ring finger. So we've got 1, 2, 3. And the closest, not the top one, not the far one, not the bottom one, that one there. That is our low B. So again, all fingers, a couple of pinkies. Low B sounds like this. Middle B sounds like this. High B, add in a register key, sounds like this. And that, dear viewer, dear saxophonist, is a B. Thank you for visiting. My name's Matthew, and I'll see you in another lesson at howtoplaythesax.com. Thanks. See you next time.